Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we would be quickly running through the latest trending missile name with the Rafale fighter jets, which is the Hammer missile. In one of my previous videos, for which I have provided the link below, we discussed about the Indian Air Force decision to equip the Rafale fighter jets with the French origin Hammer missiles. In that video, we also discussed the features and the power of other two missiles, which are the long-range Scalp and Meteor missiles. These two missiles were the first selection by the Indian Air Force to equip the Rafale fighter jets. And the new addition to this particular list was the Hammer missile, which is trending now. So in this video, we would be exclusively trying to understand the Hammer missile in a better way. During the time when Indian Air Force is eagerly waiting to welcome the French Rafale fighter jets fitted with this new set of Hammer missile, it would be good to better understand this missile and know more about the same. So let us begin with the introduction or the definition of the Hammer missile. The armament Air Sol Modular Hammer is the French origin precision guided munition developed by the Safran Electronics and Defense. The word Hammer stands for Highly Agile and Maneuverable Munition Extended Range. And this missile is a new generation medium-range modular air-to-ground weapon mainly manufactured for the French Air Force and the French Navy. So when was this particular missile introduced and unveiled? The Hammer family of missiles were unveiled during the Paris Air Show in June 2007, and the weapon system was also exhibited during the International Defense Exhibition and Conference, which was held in Abu Dhabi during February 2013. Not only this, the Safran Group demonstrated the armament Air Sol Modular and the missile guidance during the Paris Air Show in June 2013. This family of missiles were also exhibited during the DEF Expo, which was held in New Delhi, India in February 2014. Now coming to the main characteristics, the armament Air Sol Modular Weapon System has a length of 3.1 meters, a weight of 330 kilograms. Coming to the operational range, it has an operational range between 50 to 60 kilometers at high altitudes and 15 kilometers at low altitudes. The guidance and propulsion systems. These missiles consist of a variety of guidance kit and range extension kits. The basic version features a 250 kilogram bomb plus a hybrid initial navigation system or a global positioning system guidance. Other variants add the infrared homing or laser guidance to increase the accuracy. The kits are fitted with Mk82 warheads, including a smart bomb units. The easy-to-use missile supports operation with 125 kg, 250 kg, 500 kg and 1000 kg bomb units, and this missile can be reprogrammed even during the flight. The use of SAGEM's hemisphere resonating gyro, the inertial GPS hybridization, and strap-down infrared images helps a lot during the conventional deep strike missions. Coming to the propulsion system, it is fitted at the rear of the missile and consists of a solid rocket motor and 4 winglets for flight control. The launch platform details. This missile was launched using Mirage 2000 and Rafale fighter jets when it entered service in 2007 with the French Air Force and Naval Aviation. Coming to the maintenance cost, according to the defense sources, this missile is said to be maintenance-free and has low life cycle costs. Operational capability. This combat-proven missile can operate in all weather conditions during the day and night. It has a vertical strike capability and can support deep strikes, close air support, air interdiction, and seed-type or anti-ship combat missions. As already mentioned, it has an operational range between 50 to 60 kilometers at high altitudes and 15 kilometers at low altitudes. Coming to the operators of this Hammer missile, as of now there are only few operators of this missile, and to name, it's Egypt, Morocco, Qatar, and now India. So that was a quick update and details about the newly inducted Hammer missile for the Indian Air Force Rafale fighter jets. And we also saw various details about this particular missile, like the main characteristics, the guidance and propulsion systems, the launch platform, the maintenance cost, operational capability, and various operators of this Hammer missile. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.